this is the equation of the line ax plus by plus c, and we can draw this line graphically, and we can write this line in so many ways, like strictly inequalities, less than and less than equal to, greater than and greater than equal to. We can write this line, these are the equations of the line in many ways. So I will tell you what about these things. If we are going to draw the graph of these equations, then what is the procedure to draw a graph of these equations of a line on a graph? So there are the two things. If we have this is the inequality is strictly less than, or if we have inequality is less than equal to, then how we can draw a graph on the this equation of the line on the graph. So one by one I'm going to tell you, then after we will start the linear equations, how we are going to draw. For example, I'm going to take the equation of the line. This is our equation of the line, and how I can draw this equation of a line in a graph. So first of all, you can see this is our inequality greater than equal to. Then this inequality we are going to convert in the equal to sign, and then we have the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So how I can draw this equation of a line in a graph? So the idea is, first of all, you are going to take x is equal to 0 in this equation. So I'm going to take x is equal to 0 in this equation, and then what is the value of y? Then the value of y will be is equal to 2. Just put it, y is equal to 6 upon